Here's another little maintenance video for you about keeping the tuning slide and the other slides moving on the instruments. This is something that needs to move all the time, so if it gets dry and dirty, which one this is, you can see a little bit, it should be, shouldn't have any of that dark stuff on it. Anyway, they can get stuck in, so we don't really want that to happen. So on a sort of fairly regular, maybe once every couple of months basis, I make sure that I'll take this out. Oh, for this bit, very nice. And then with some lubricant, which I've just got this stuff which came free with the Trumpet. If you have a new instrument, it will come with a pot of tuning slide grease, or cork grease is the same thing. Vaseline does the trick. Lanolin does it as well. Anything like that. But yeah, Vaseline's probably the best and cheapest thing to do if you haven't got any slide grease already. You only need a tiny bit on each one of the legs. You just rub it on roughly, then put it in that bit, give it a twist around as you slide it back in, and out again so it spreads it around the leg. Then same for the other leg. You definitely want a rag or something nearby when you're doing this, because slide grease is rather greasy. And then put it back in. Now you will notice when you get it in that the grease builds up a little bit around this part, so push it all the way in and take your rag and just wipe it off around there. Otherwise, just dust sticks to it and it gets a bit manky. Anyway, that's that. Leave it about a centimetre out. When you put the instrument away in its case, it should always be out. Never leave it closed. If it gets stuck when it's closed, then it's very hard to get out. If it gets stuck like that, it's quite easy to get moving again. Anyway, that's it. That's how to grease your tuning slide. I forgot to say that if you have a cornet, your tuning slide is this one here, so it's pointing the other way, nearest to the mouthpiece.